Hello everyone, my name is Rebecca Harris and I am presenting my elevator speech on our project Flu Away, the Wake County campaign for influenza vaccines. These vaccines will assist in preventing the spread of the flu, which can be detrimental to the health of children, the elderly, and those with compromised immune systems. What is the goal of Flu Away? Flu Away will set up a clinic within the Leesville Road Elementary School in Wake County to deliver vaccines to the school's population. By creating this clinic, we hope to increase the Wake County influenza vaccination rate while simultaneously decreasing the rate of influenza infections. We will work with local stakeholders to create a safe and efficient vaccine clinic that can be replicated in other schools and counties. We have several inputs here. We need the medical staff to be trained to administer the vaccines, the school faculty, and the administration. We also need data and reports on flu numbers in the Wake County school system. We need the supplies for the vaccinations and funding if needed. And that correlates to the activities and our expected outcomes of this project. Speaking in long-term outcomes, we hope that the Leesville Road Elementary School population will receive the influenza vaccine every year to prevent the spread of the flu in the community. We also hope that the Wake County community as a whole will experience a decrease in overall influenza infections. And we also hope that our campaign will inspire other schools in the Wake County school system to establish a vaccine clinic in their own schools. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns about Flu Away, you can contact our program team at this email address or this phone number. Thank you so much for listening.